to line explanation of the chapter. So the very first, as I told you, that keep body and soul together. It means try to survive in the circumstances. And the second one is that you can say another one here on the right hand side is hunger gleamed in his eyes. It means the person is hungry with whosoever eyes are being referred here, and here the red trap seller's eyes being referred. किसकी आंखें हैं? रेड ट्रैप सेलर, चूहेदानी बेचने वाला. एंड हु वाज दैट पर्सन? ही वाज अ पेडलर. So he was hungry, and this expression is being used for him. So let's come to the expression part, my dear, and that is once upon a time there was a man who went around selling small red traps. Got it? So this is being said that once there was a time. So here the story starts that once there was a man. And who was that man? He was a rat trap seller. He was a peddler. Peddler, I told you, who moves from one place to another. Wanderer, इधर उधर घूमने वाला. And even if in Hindi you can say घुमक्कड़. Around selling small rat traps of wire. That was not an iron rat trap. That was made of, you can say, wire. तार की बनी हुई छोटी छोटी चूहेदानियां बेचता हुआ. सेलिंग मीन्स टू सेल. बेचता हुआ. वेंट अराउंड मीन्स टू मूव हियर एंड देयर. A man. And who was that? Peddler. So now understand that once there was a man who was a peddler who went here and there, and for the purpose of selling his rat trap, which he made himself with the help of wire. I am translating in Hindi for commerce and art students as well. एक बार एक समय की बात है जब एक आदमी who went around, जो इधर उधर घूमता रहता था, छोटी छोटी चूहेदानियां जो कि तार की बनी हुई थी, लोहे की तारों की या प्लास्टिक की तारों की बनी हुई चूहेदानियां थी, उनको वो बेचता हुआ इधर उधर घूमता था. Now from the material, sorry, he made them himself at odd moments. Odd moments, beta, you can write down the meaning of side by side. Odd means beta spare, or you can say unoccupied. UNOCCUPIED, or spare even you can say. So he made them himself. So who made those red traps? He was himself to made him. He didn't have any assistant. उसके पास कोई सहायक नहीं था. He had to made those red traps himself at odd moments. Odd means spare, extra, free times. Whenever he was free, he used to make those red traps himself, and then he used to sell those red traps. So वह उन्हें खुद, जब भी उसके पास खाली समय होता था, खुद वह तार लेकर उनसे वह स्वयं उन्हें बनाता था. So odd means beta spare, SPARE, or another meaning you can say unoccupied. Next is from the material he got by bagging in the stores or at the big farms. Sorry, he got by bagging in the stores from the material, उस सारे raw material से. So from where he got that raw material कच्चा माल. For what? To make rat traps. By begging, भीख मांगकर, from the general stores or from the big farms, या फिर बड़ी बड़ी factories से. So in other words, from the big factories and big general stores, he used to bag the wires and the other raw material to make his rat traps, so that he could sell them and he can earn his, you can say, livelihood. So इस तरह से वह उस सामान से he got by bagging, जो कि वह भीख मांगकर जनरल स्टोर से या बड़ी बड़ी फैक्ट्री से मांगकर वो लाता था, उसको इस्तेमाल करके वो क्या करता था? वो खुद ही उन्हें बनाता था. Got it, everyone? Say yes or no, my dear. Okay. So next is there, but even so means even after that, even after bagging the raw material, even after making those rat traps at his own hands. देखिए, ना तो उसको रॉ मटेरियल पे खर्च करना था जिससे वो रेड ट्रैप्स बनाता था, ना उसने किसी को इन्हें बनाने के लिए पे किया. दोनों ही लेबर वर्क ही वाज डूइंग एट हिज ओन. But even after that, so this even so means even after bagging the material and making the rat traps himself. Even after that, the business was not especially profitable. Which business? Question sometimes can be asked, my dear. In which business was the peddler involved in? So he was involved in the business of making the rat traps and selling around in the area. Got it, dear? This was the first question of the day. In which business was the rat trap peddler involved? But the business was not especially profitable. So he was not even. फर्स्ट एक्सप्रेशन माइंड इट हियर की बॉडी एंड सोल टुगेदर। यहाँ पर इसका वही मतलब है कि वो तब भी उसके लिए फायदेमंद नहीं था। ही वॉज नॉट इन अ गुड इकोनॉमिक कंडीशन, ही वॉज नॉट इकोनॉमिकली वेल फेड। in spite of saving the raw material cost, in spite of saving the you can say the making cost, he was not able to gain any profit. सो इस तरह से चूहेदानी बेचने के बिजनेस में वो कोई ज्यादा फायदा नहीं कमा पा रहा था। सो ही हैड टू रिसोर्ट टू बोथ। सी बेटा, प्रॉफिटेबल वर्ड वाज टोल्ड। प्रॉफिटेबल इट मीन्स बेनिफिशियल, BENEFICIAL, and now the third word for the meaning is you can say resort to. What does it mean? It means to turn for help, टू टर्न फॉर हेल्प, किसी चीज की मदद के लिए। Got it, my dear? Then see dear, business was not especially profitable, so he had to turn to both begging and petty thievery. Petty means small. Thievery means to become a thief, to keep body and soul together. Okay, so as I told you, to keep body and soul together, what does it mean? To survive, especially in difficult circumstances. I am repeating, to survive, especially in difficult circumstances. Got it, dear? So, look here. So, he had to resort, he had to turn up to beg and to go out to become a thief so that he can, you can say, survive in difficult circumstances. तो इस तरह से इवन सो इतना कुछ होने के बावजूद भी उसका जो व्यवसाय था वो फायदेमंद नहीं था खास तौर से। सो इसीलिए ही हैड टू रिसोर्ट टू, उसे मजबूरन मुड़ना पड़ा भीख मांगने की तरफ और छोटी मोटी चोरियां करने के लिए, टू कीप, ताकि वह क्या कर सके, बॉडी एंड सोल टुगेदर, अपना जो क्या कह सकते हैं अपने आप को जिंदा रख सके कठिन मुश्किल हालातों में। अपने आप को जिंदा रखने के लिए उसे चोरी भी करनी पड़ी और उसे क्या करना पड़ा, उसे भीख भी मांगनी पड़ी। इवन सो द क्लोथ्स वर इन रैग्स। रैग्स बेटा ओल्ड एंड टैटर्ड, चीथड़े जिसे आप बोलते हो। आई हैव रिटन फॉर सम ऑफ योर रेफरेंस इन हियर फॉर हिंदी मीडियम, चीथड़े फटे पुराने। टैटर्ड स्पेलिंग TATTERED। I repeat, TATTERED. I will also provide you the word meaning notes as well after the class in the group. So, even after that, that's why he was not able to survive. He was not able to feed his belly for 2 times meal with. So his clothes were tattered and old. His cheeks were sunken. Sunken बेटा sink, sank, sunk. डूब जाना मीन्स क्या है, धसे हुए होना, पिचके हुए होना, आप ये भी कह सकते हो if you want to understand in Hindi. So his body was not also you can say well built. He was a lean and thin person and his face, गाल बिल्कुल पिचके हुए थे। In another word you can say his face was just merely a skeleton look like. Okay, बिल्कुल skeleton की तरह वो नजर आता था। Then the next one is my dear, and hunger gleamed in his eyes. Hunger gleamed, gleamed beta shone brightly, SHONEBRIGHTLY, hunger gleamed in his eyes। तो उसकी आंखों में क्या था, भूख छलकती थी। सो इट सी, यस बेटा, यस। देखो, तो सुनिए ना, हंगर, उसकी आंखों में बहुत ज्यादा चमक थी, किस चीज की? भूख की बेटे। हंगर है इसके साथ, आप देखिए, तो भूख की चमक थी, इसका मतलब क्या था? उसका पेट कभी भरा ही नहीं, तो उसकी आंखों में सेटिस्फेक्शन की जगह पे भूखे होने की जो चमक थी वो ज्यादा झलकती थी। आया समझ में? ये वो शोन ये वो शोन ज्यादा चमकने वाला तो है, लेकिन यहाँ पर क्या चीज है? सेटिस्फेक्शन नहीं है, भूख ज्यादा चमक रही थी सेटिस्फेक्शन की जगह पे। ठीक है बेटा, clear? So hunger gleamed in his eyes. So completely we can say only hunger shone brightly in his eyes. There was no expression of satisfaction or a satisfied life. Overall, the look of the person was tattered rags. Overall, the physiques of the person was just merely a weak personality. Overall, the social behavior of the person was of a thief and a beggar. So overall, you have been given the complete picture of this person, and the question that you can say that would come from inside the chapter, you can say the first, as I told you, uh, you can say is, let me discuss with you. The first question that was that, write a note on the paddler or the red trap cell. Second question is, in which business was he involved and how was he running his business? In another word, you can say, how did he run his business? So we can write the answer to that. He made the red traps of wire himself, which he bags from the stores and at the farms. But in spite of saving the making cost and the raw material cost, the business was not especially profitable. Second thing is, as far as his physique and personality referred, he was a beggar. Because of that, he was not able to run his business properly. He had to beg and he had to become a thief sometimes. So that's why he had to beg and resort to petty thieveries to keep his body and soul together. His clothes were in rags, his cheeks were sunken, and only the expression of hunger gleamed in his eyes. So these two questions I will upload in your group as well. We are running out of the time. Let me stop this. So beta, these were the two questions. I will upload two things, two questions plus the vocabulary portion of today. And this is your assignment as well. And let me take the last attendance of year, because total now, see, in the very beginning 23 and 25 are there, and now only 22 students are there, and I'm going to upload these 22 students attendance, only these 22, and your teachers are going to, you can say, call up those who are absent, and please inform the students as well of your class that ma'am is sending the attendance and you will be strictly penalized. Okay, so tomorrow come with one more doubt. I want every student, Madhu, Umang, whosoever is there, Ekta, Anju, Arjun, Sarika, beta, all of you are listening to me. Please come out with one doubt daily. And I will also try to discuss side by side your paper also, question to question. Daily also we will discuss one question as per your new pattern of your paper. Okay, so do write down the meaning in your textbook, which I would provide you, and question answers in your notebook as an assignment form. And keep on learning side by side. Okay, thank you, Vita. Thank you.